Cold day in London, dark clouds rumbling. Grab the yellow pages under the bed. I noticed an ad, it said, Indian summer, 10 days of wonder, paradise is yours, 50 quid. I thought to myself, that's it. Told the wife to pack the bags, forget about the plans we had, we're going east instead. She looks at me and shakes her head. Said, oh now baby, no sounds crazy, but this may be the only chance we get. We only get one life to live. Ooh. So we grabbed the kids and some bottle lotion, and we went to the middle of the Indian Ocean. God was there to meet us, welcome sign to greet us. 10 porters stood up like a wall and carried our bags through the hall. Custom man smiled at me, said so politely, tell me sir, have you any more? I looked at him and said, that's all. Drove us to the beach house, said, is this all ours? They nodded and rolled out the bed. I turned to my wife and said, oh now honey, guess still sunny, so let's all go down for a dip before the sun sets. Ooh. Suddenly I gazed up on the rising wave. I saw the sea drawn from the sand. I grabbed the wife and kids and ran. Please God save us, please don't blame us, for this is the only life we get. We'll make it up if we were bad. The wave was a-pounding as we scrambled up the mountain. No one even dared to turn their head. Just one slip and you're dead. Ooh. The waves were dying, child was crying, searching for her mom and dad. A thin dress was all she had. Held us tight all through the night, but there was nothing left. We all broke down and wept. Then came the morning, New Year was born. The girl had been with us all night. My wife looked down at her and sighed. Oh my darling, suddenly dawning, but just take a look at those eyes. She must be paradise. She must be paradise. She must be paradise.